Achieving healthier gums and teeth naturally is a goal many aspire to for better oral health and a confident smile. In this guide, we'll explore proven remedies and lifestyle adjustments that promote the natural regrowth of gums and strengthen your teeth. Whether you're battling gum recession or simply want to maintain optimal oral hygiene, these tips and practices can transform your dental routine. Why gum health matters. Gums play a crucial role in holding your teeth in place, and their health directly impacts your overall well-being. Gum recession, often caused by poor hygiene, harsh brushing, or underlying diseases, can lead to tooth sensitivity, loose teeth, and even tooth loss. Natural remedies not only prevent further damage, but also encourage healing. Top natural remedies for gum and teeth health. Oil pulling. This ancient Ayurvedic technique involves swishing oil, such as coconut or sesame oil, in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes daily. Oil pulling removes toxins, reduces plaque buildup, and soothes inflamed gums. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera's soothing properties are excellent for gum healing. Applying fresh aloe vera gel directly to your gums reduces inflammation and promotes tissue regeneration. Green tea. Rich in antioxidants, green tea fights gum disease-causing bacteria. Drinking a cup daily or using it as a mouthwash helps strengthen your gums. Saltwater rinse. A simple saltwater rinse, a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water, reduces gum inflammation and kills harmful bacteria. Use this remedy twice daily for noticeable results. Turmeric paste. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties make it a powerful tool for oral health. Mix turmeric powder with water to form a paste, apply it to your gums, and leave it for 10 minutes before rinsing. Lifestyle changes for stronger teeth and gums. Adopt a nutrient-rich diet. Consume foods high in vitamin C and D, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients promote gum healing, strengthen teeth, and reduce inflammation. Leafy greens, nuts, dairy products, and citrus fruits are excellent choices. Switch to a soft-bristled toothbrush. Harsh brushing can aggravate gum recession. Use a soft bristled toothbrush and gentle circular motions to clean your teeth effectively without damaging the gum line. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water keeps your mouth moist and flushes out bacteria that can harm your gums. Avoid smoking. Smoking weakens your gums and makes them more susceptible to infections. Quitting not only improves oral health, but also benefits your entire body. Why consistency matters. Natural remedies and lifestyle changes take time to show results. It's essential to stay consistent with these practices and combine them with regular dental checkups. Your dentist can identify issues early and provide professional guidance tailored to your needs. Common myths about gum regrowth. It's important to manage expectations when it comes to gum regrowth. While natural remedies can enhance gum health and stop further recession, severely receded gums may require surgical intervention for full restoration. Understanding what's achievable will keep you motivated and realistic about your oral health journey. Advanced tips for gum and teeth care. Invest in an electric toothbrush. These brushes are designed to clean hard-to-reach areas, reducing plaque and gum disease risks. Use a fluoride-free toothpaste with herbal ingredients. Many natural toothpastes contain neem, clove oil, or tea tree oil, which are excellent for maintaining gum health. Add probiotics to your routine. Probiotics balance the bacteria in your mouth, preventing gum disease and cavities. Look for probiotic-rich foods like yogurt or consider supplements designed for oral health. Chew sugar-free gum. Stimulating saliva flow with sugar-free gum can neutralize acids and keep your gums healthy. Conclusion. Regaining strong, healthy gums and teeth naturally is achievable with a combination of natural remedies, diet, and consistent oral hygiene practices. By taking small, dedicated steps daily, you'll not only improve your oral health, but also boost your confidence and overall quality of life. Try incorporating these tips into your routine and experience the transformation for yourself. If you are still watching, then you're very serious to improve your teeth and gum problem. Then you are at right place. Here's something special for you. Listen it with very carefully. According to a Harvard scientist, Swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth after brushing your teeth to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.